HA-NE House, for me, I didn't have nowhere to go. And if I didn't come here, what would I have done? If HA-NE House didn't open their arms to me for me to come here, I could be in trouble right now. I could have made a lot of bad decisions.
We're focused on men and women coming out of state correctional facilities here in Nebraska with mental health and addiction issues. People coming out, they just need the extra support. People inside, they are so motivated and ready, and they have all these really great ideas of what they want to do when they get out and where they want to go. But then they figure out that there's a lot of barriers.
I had convinced myself if I did everything right, if I followed all the programs, if I did everything people told me was the right thing to do, that it wouldn't be that hard. I was wrong.
No matter how much I wanted to be free, I wasn't ready for it.
I had no job history, I had no credit history, and all I had was a criminal record. There's a lot of things I either didn't know how to do, I didn't know that I needed to do it. And so having people who knew, people who had gotten their own lives back together, people who had to work within the system before, it was incredibly helpful.
First thing I gotta say is a big closet. And then I had a bed. I had blankets for that bed. I had sheets for that bed. There was curtains in my room. It was fully furnished. All it needed was me. It almost made me cry.
Learning how the basics of computer use, the basics of teaching me how to do online applications. Just someone so I know that I'm not alone.
I came from a prison that's hostile. When I came here, everybody was too nice. Like when I first got here, I probably didn't sleep for like 8 days in a row. The people here have reassured me, well, look, what you're going through is normal for somebody to be locked up that long.
I had been in the system my whole entire life, foster homes, group homes, treatment centers, incarceration, and none of that worked for me. The peers would share their stories and we formed connections. Like they were not only my supporters, but they were my friends, and they were people who had been addicted to drugs, had been incarcerated, had been in treatment centers 15 times, and now here they are helping me completely change my life. The real program is our community outreach program. We assist individuals in finding resources and also helping them get their critical basic essential needs met, birth certificates, state IDs, finding safe, affordable housing, connecting with landlords in the community, finding health care, mental health or physical health care.
Say you're trying to get an apartment, they go all out to help you. This place is awesome. It's really awesome.
We have staff that will jump on a bus with someone and just show them the routes they need to take to get to their doctor, get to work. 85% of our individuals who went through our employment program through reentry, they are still working.
I like being able to help people. It makes me feel as if I'm accomplishing something. Even if it's something small that I help them with, it still makes me feel better.
They're doing everything they can to help me get to where I need to be.
My mother and father and all my grandparents, 2 of my sisters, they all died since I've been in prison. And this is my extended family. They show me the same love that I get from my mother. The second chances that my mother gives me.